So for problem number 1, it says we have a Cartesian Cartesian coordinates of 1, 2 meters. So it's 1.5, so we've got 1, 2, 1, 2. So we've got this point here, which is 1.5 meters by 2 meters. And we're asked to convert that into polar coordinates. Okay? So now how do we convert from Cartesian, right? Because this is the xy plane where this is the x value and this is the y value. And then to write it in polar coordinates, we would need to do some math. Now the r, remember the r is the radius, or the length from here to here. That's that length. How do I find that length? Does anybody have a clue? Well, I'll tell you what. Our x value is 1.5. So you could think of it like this is 1.5. And our y value is like 2. So how do I find r if it's a 90-degree triangle? Correct, Pythagorean. So we see that r is equal to the square root of 2 squared plus 1.5 squared. Now if you plug that in your calculator, it'll take a second for my calculator to come up. If I plug that in my calculator, I'm going to take the square root of 1.5 squared plus 2 squared, and I get 2.5 approximately. So what that means is that the length from here to here is 2.5. So I've got 2.5 meters. Now to find the radius. Now, or the angle. So the angle theta is this little tidbit here. And that angle theta is tangent inverse of y over x. Okay? That's the tangent inverse of y over x. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to say second tan, which gives me this, and then y, what was my y value again? Was it 2? 2 divided by 1.5. Close that off. And I get 0.92. Now is that 92 degrees? It's 0.92 what? Radians. Well, it wants our answer in degrees. So how do I get the answer in degrees? Anybody know? I got to change the mode. So I'm going to hit the mode button. And I'm going to come down here to where it says degree, highlight degree. And now I'm going to quit and hit second entry. And now it'll give me my answer in degrees. So it's about 53 degrees. Okay? So theta is about 53 degrees. So that would be 53 degrees. This is our answer. Okay?